a bar chart represents categories of data represented as bars. The height or the length of the bars is typically linked to the scale of an x-axis parallel with the bar. Adjacent bars have a gap between them, and they typically do not share a border. So this is a bar chart of the exact same data that we used in the previous pie chart. And so you can see that across the bottom is where we have our categories. So the categories here were ethnicity, and the height of the bar is measured by the y-axis here. So in 2010, the relative frequency of a white ethnicity was 63.8%. So you can see where that would fall between 60 and 70% here on this y-axis. The next one down, which would be Hispanic, that was at 16.4%. And you can see as you go over, that falls between 10 and 20%. And so on down the line for the rest of the ethnicities. Now, what makes a bar chart a little more advantageous than a pie chart is, you remember in the pie chart, whenever we try to represent really small numbers like these, the wedges in the pie chart were too small to actually see. But if we take this same data and actually set it up as a series of bars, then it makes it much easier to see and represent smaller numbers like this. And it also makes it so that it's easier to compare these smaller numbers against larger numbers right next to it.